Hello guys, welcome to the new episode. In this video, I'm gonna be roaming around and check the people here. So we're gonna meet some nice people here in this village. So I'm gonna be roaming around here. So let's see how the people are here.
I watch your video and subscribe it.
Oh, you watch my video? Okay,
Yeah.
then thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Slow.
Oh, your name is Slow?
Yeah.
Oh, so then you are very slow.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice, gentlemen. So, okay, then I will go, ma.
Okay.
I will go. Bye. So many nice people are here in this village.
Paduh.
Oh, Shayo.
Shayo.
Yes, Shayo. So, what is your name?
My name Tarzan.
Oh, your name is Tarzan. Okay. Very nice name. Where are you gonna go now?
To Shaklau.
Oh, Shaklau. What does that mean, Shaklau?
Cloud Forest.
Oh, forest. Okay. Safe journey, ma. Shayo.
Paduh. Shayo.
Yes. Okay, then I will go, ma.
Oh,
I will go.
to.
Okay, bye. So I'm gonna be roaming around. Oh, Shayo. How are you? Okay, Shayo. Kublai. Gentlemen. Shayo.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Shayo.